Wow, 2025. What a year for Power BI. It was absolutely packed with major updates, huge community celebrations, and a pretty massive anniversary. In this explainer, we're going to break down all the key highlights and, more importantly, what they mean for the future of data. Let's dive right in.
So the year kicks off with this massive milestone. Back in July, Power BI officially celebrated its 10-year anniversary. I mean, a full decade of completely transforming the world of business intelligence. And when you look at how far it's come, well, the story of its growth is just incredible.
You have to remember, when Power BI first launched, it started with about 500,000 early adopters. You know, that really passionate group of people who saw the potential right from the get-go. But where it went from there, that's the truly astounding part. Fast forward to today, and that number has just exploded to 30 million monthly active users, and they're spread across more than 375,000 organizations. I mean, come on, that's not just growth, right? That's a fundamental shift in how businesses use data, and it's been driven entirely by its community.
So you hit a 10-year anniversary of that magnitude. What do? How do you celebrate that? Well, this wasn't just some date on the calendar. It was a massive 2-month-long celebration that was focused entirely on the Power BI community.
This whole hashtag PBI10 celebration was just a learning bonanza. We're talking to live expert-led sessions, dashboard design workshops, and even Ask Me Anything Q&As with the actual Power BI team. They also offered up discounted certification exams, threw in a fun retro startup screen in the desktop app, and then capped it all off with a huge global virtual birthday party. The message couldn't have been clearer. This milestone belongs to the users.
And yeah, that community focus was front and center for all of 2025. The celebration wasn't just about looking back at the last 10 years, it was about putting a spotlight on the incredible talent of the people using the tool right now.
And you know, to really showcase that talent, Microsoft launched something totally new, the Power BI Data Visualization World Championships. This was a global contest designed to find the world's best data storytellers through these live, really high-pressure showdowns.
So picture this, you're at the Fabric Community Conference in Las Vegas, and John Sandman becomes the first ever champion. The contestants had just 20 minutes, that's it, to build a compelling report from scratch. And John just absolutely nailed it with this stunning visualization of OECD well-being data.
And the excitement didn't stop there. It continued at FabCon Europe over in Vienna, where Paulo Grejo from Brazil took home the title. But here's what was so cool about his win, his focus on accessibility. He actually incorporated a color vision deficiency simulator right into his report, making this powerful statement that great data viz needs to be for everyone.
Okay, so the year wasn't just about celebrating the community. As amazing as that was, it was also about empowering them with brand new tools. 2025 brought some huge technological leaps, all with a really clear focus on making Power BI more open, more actionable, and a whole lot more intelligent.
All right, probably one of the biggest updates was finally achieving data modeling parity between the desktop app and the web service. This basically unlocks the ability to build an entire solution right in your browser, which, let me tell you, is a massive breakthrough, especially for all the macOS users out there. And with autosave and version history in the cloud, your work is always protected. It's complete modeling free.
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever been staring at a dashboard, you spot an issue, and you just wish you could fix it right there, without having to jump over to a completely different application?
Well, that is now a reality with this new concept they're calling translytical task flows. It's all about blending that transactional work with your analytical insights. So imagine you're seeing low inventory in a sales dashboard. Now you can trigger a reorder workflow right from that report. That's the power here. It finally closes the loop between seeing an insight and taking action.
And of course, you can't talk about 2025 without talking about AI, right? Power BI fully embraced this with the Chat with Your Data experience. Now you can just ask your data questions in plain English like, what were this quarter's sales by region? And boom, you get an instant answer.
And hey, this isn't just something you're tethered to your desk for. Copilot is now available in the Power BI mobile app. That puts the power of conversational BI right in your pocket, and you can access it by voice or by text.
You know, another key innovation really solves a problem I think we've all had. Our data is just scattered everywhere in files like Excel or PDFs. The old way meant duplicating those files, creating different versions, and always risking that your information was outdated. The new approach uses these things called shortcuts in OneLake, which brings your documents and your analytics together without making copies. It just ensures you're always working with the latest and greatest version.
All right, so after a decade of incredible progress in a year that was just packed with breakthroughs, What does the future hold? Let's take a look at what's coming up next for Power BI.
First things first, you're going to want to mark your calendars for Atlanta in March 2026. For the very first time, the Fabric Community Conference and SQLCon are joining forces. It's going to be one massive, unified event for the entire Microsoft data community, from Power BI developers all the way to SQL professionals.
So, the long-term vision here? It's pretty clear. It's all about creating a seamless, frictionless connection between insight and action. With Microsoft Fabric and AI right at the core, the goal is to make sure that wherever your data happens to live, Power BI can help you make sense of it.
And the team was super clear that this future isn't being built in some isolated bubble. The community is and will continue to be the driving force. It's your feedback, through ideas, through voting, through conversations, that shapes the roadmap and really drives all of this progress.
Which really just leaves us with one final thought. 2025 set an absolutely incredible foundation. I mean, going from a passionate group of early adopters to a global movement, Power BI's first decade was truly transformative. So the question is, what will the next 10 years of data look like?
I kindly request you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please like and share our content. You can also show your support by clicking the thanks button below the video. Thank you.